Hi YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another haul video, guys. This haul is going to be a big one. We have a bunch of boxes to open up over here. You guys can check it out. A couple sneakers in here and a couple surprises actually on the top as well. Because this is not just like a sneaker haul video. This is more like a new style kind of video. And because for me, now that we're in 2021, I definitely wanted to try to change up my style this year. Like 2020 obviously was not the greatest year. We all know that, guys. Even though last year we couldn't go out and, you know, like actually wear our sneakers or like our hype clothing and stuff, I feel like 2021 is actually shaping up to be a much better year. So it's definitely a great time to like also up your style game, which is why I'm super happy that Farfetch actually sponsored this video today, because I can show you guys like the new styles and stuff that I picked out while using Farfetch. And if you guys are new to the channel and you guys aren't familiar with Farfetch, basically Farfetch is an online marketplace that connects you guys with 3,000 brands worldwide. And what I really love about them is that they really care about small businesses around the world, because they source those 3,000 brands on their website from small boutiques around the world, which is really great. You know, they're helping to support small businesses, and that's what I really appreciate about them. And honestly, there's like literally no better place to up your style than Farfetch. Like if you guys are looking to like get a more refined look, which is kind of the thing that I'm going for this year, you can definitely see like a lot of cool stuff on their website. Like I've been having like this weird thing recently where every single morning I check the new in on their app and I just try to see like, okay, is there anything like in my price ranges that I can afford? And that's what's really nice about them too, is that they have a lot of different affordable stuff on there. You know, like there's definitely like more high-end brands if you guys are going for a very expensive look. If you guys are more like a casual shopper, you guys have a limited budget, they still have a lot of items in there for you. And I don't go for like the most expensive stuff. I go for what is functional for me. So let me open up some of these boxes and show you exactly what we caught from Farfetch today. I think this is the one that I've been waiting for the most. That's why. Let's check this out. So really cool branding actually over here too. You guys can actually see the boxes are pre-made, that it says Farfetch on there. I like that a lot. Shows attention to detail. But the actual item that we copped, which is in this nice bag over here too, nicely packed. Oh dude, this is sick. So this over here is a watch and it's called an Ingersoll, as you guys can see. I literally just found out about this brand like by scanning Farfetch like every single day. So I found this on there and it was a watch that I really thought was dope. Oh my gosh, this is sick. This is really sick. And this is the watch that I ended up copping. You guys can check that out over there. Ingersoll watch. I hope I'm pronouncing that name correctly, Ingersoll. But look at how dope that is, man. Like I've always had an affinity towards like skeleton watches and stuff. If you guys don't know what a skeleton watch is, it's like these open faces where you can actually see like the dials and stuff turning. I don't know if I'm just like nerdy like that, but I always thought that was really cool. But the problem was like most skeleton watches and stuff were very expensive. So I was like happy when I was like scrolling through like the new in on Farfetch and I saw that this watch was on there and it was only like $200 or $300, which is very good for this watch and just has a really refined look. So like we were talking about new styles and stuff, this is one that I'm super happy to cop because I mean, come on guys, this definitely looks very refined. I don't know, I just really like this one a lot. So this was the first thing that we copped. Again, super dope packaging and really nice watch, guys. And I'll mention it really quick too, because we're talking about like the affordability and stuff of Farfetch. Because you guys are watching today's episode and because Farfetch is sponsoring the Untitled Warrior channel, if you guys use FF10UH, you guys will actually get 10% off your Farfetch order, which is really good. 10% off like sneakers or like those Ingersoll watches or everything else that we're copping in here. You guys will get 10% off your order. So I highly recommend you guys use that. You guys literally never see like discounted sneakers for like any kind of like percent off, and 10% off is actually huge when you guys are trying to cop Jordan 1s, a lot of different stuff, and there might be Jordan 1s in here for a very good price that I actually copped on there too, so stay tuned for that. Oh shoot. Protection is A1 on this. There's actually a box in a box for this, which is really good to see, because the thing that we did cop over here is a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses as well. This one, I mean, you definitely want to make sure that the packing and stuff is good because you don't want the sunglasses to break. They are fragile. And the sunglasses over here, dude, these are sick. Okay, so I have to wear like bigger shaded sunglasses because straight up, dude, I have like a kind of bigger head than most people, I think. So bigger sunglasses fit me a lot better. And I was actually worried about the sizing of this one too, but what's good about Farfetch is they do allow you guys to do returns. Easiness of returns. If it doesn't fit or something, you guys can return it for free. So that is a huge plus over there too. But it looks like this one is perfectly fine. I like this one a lot. I hope Mari likes this. This is clean. We're talking about changing up styles and stuff, and this is one that I'm very happy about because over here we have a Kenzo t-shirt, and this one is actually really nice too. Again, this one is called Kenzo. It is like a European fit, so it's a little bit more slim, so I got an XL for this one. So when I'm trying to like change up my style and stuff for the new year, this gives a more like refined, like not like flaunty kind of look, you know, like I'm not wearing like the most high-end stuff, but it also shows, you know, that you actually care a little bit more about what you're wearing. You're not wearing just like a $10 t-shirt with your $500 pair of shoes. That is why I'm copying this stuff. And I mean, it goes with the watch, it goes with the Ray-Bans, everything is kind of meshing together, as you guys see. Another boutique from Farfetch over here, Giglio I don't know if I'm saying that right. Giglio? Something like that. But also wrapped really nicely over here too. Dude, this is sick. Holy F, this is nice. So what we copped over here was a pair of Stone Island pants. You guys can kind of pull it back over here. And if you guys wanted to see it, I'm not going to put it on, obviously. But yeah, this is how the fit would look and stuff. Very good color. A little bit different than like your blue jean denim or your like just black pants. So I wanted to try to get like a lighter color to mix with different things and different sneakers, obviously. So that's why I copped this one. And usually Stone Island is very expensive, which is why I don't have much of it. But I checked like the sale stuff on Farfetch, and this one was actually like 50% off at the time. Like I think normally it was going for like $400 and I ended up copying it for like $240. So very good cop over here, which is why I checked like the new in, and I also check the sale items like very, very frequently, because you might be able to cop stuff like this, which looks very clean, man, and it was a really good price. And this is gonna sound really strange, and I didn't know if I wanted to bring it up on the camera, but I don't know if like this boutique and stuff like sprays their items before they send it with like cologne or something, but this smells really good. I don't know. We're talking about quality control and stuff. Maybe they just care about like the entire presentation. There's a smell to this and it smells amazing. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so now for my sneakerheads, which is most of you guys, we can actually get into the sneakers over here. One of the things that I really love about Farfetch as well is that they actually partnered up with Stadium Goods a few years back. So Stadium Goods, as you guys know, is like a major source of like sneakers. Like they're one of the biggest sneaker distributors in the world, and they definitely like understand authentication and stuff. So almost all the shoes that you guys do cop on Farfetch is probably sourced through Stadium Goods, which means that it's guaranteed authentic, which is really great because you guys don't want to be walking around in like fake Yeezys or something. And for the shoe, you guys know what it is. Pair of Nike Jordan 1s over here. This one is a size 9.5, and you guys can see what I was talking about. It does say Stadium Goods right over there. So again, that's how you know it's guaranteed authentic over there. But this one, the actual shoe that we have, the Jordan 1 Mocha, guys, and you guys know what this shoe is. Definitely like one of the biggest shoes of 2020. But moving into 2021, and we're talking about new style and stuff, guys, you guys want to invest in these now, because trust me, these things are going to continue to rise. And I guarantee you guys, like by the end of 2021, most of these sizes will probably be going for $700 or $800, which is why you guys really want to cop these things now. And again, I don't want to push it too hard, but if you guys use the code FF10UH, you guys will get 10% off, meaning that you can get this Jordan 1 for a lot cheaper than anywhere else. Farfetch, when you guys use those discounts and you guys take away like the shipping costs of like other apps and stuff, it actually comes out cheaper, which is why I copped this. This one, again, is another Jordan 1 box. And I'm sure some of you guys are wondering, like, okay, why was he copying a 9.5 on that Jordan 1 Mocha? Because that's not my size. You guys know I'm a 10.5 or 11. And also, you're probably wondering, why is there a second Mocha in this video? And the reason why is because I actually bought that second pair for my homie, because you guys do know I'm getting married and stuff soon. So I wanted to try to get gifts for the homies that are going to be like in the wedding party and stuff. So that is why I'm copping a bunch of Mochas. And because Farfetch has the best prices, I copped them from over there. All of the homies that will be like in the wedding party and stuff, this is like my gifts to them. But I wanted to try to save money as well, so I copped early and I copped from Farfetch. So that is actually it for this haul, guys. Like I was saying, like I just have a very like strong, like optimistic look for the coming year. You know, like 2020 was so bad and there was like so much like negativity and stuff. But coming into this new year, I just want to try to stay more positive and like try to like be forward thinking, right? Like I want to improve my style, so I'm making a concerted effort to like try to up my game with that. But also at the same time, I want to make sure that things are affordable. I'm still not going to be spending like thousands of dollars for a t-shirt, but because I can shop on Farfetch, I can check the sale section and stuff and like see things like this for really good prices. Like I know this is a sponsored video and all, but I gotta say, like I really trust this company, you know, like I wouldn't promote something that I don't believe in. Farfetch is a company that I truly believe in. They care about small businesses. They give you guys like the fastest shipping times, and they also have affordable prices, which I think is really great. So use that code FF10UH and you guys will get 10% off your order. It goes a long way in helping you guys save money and in upping your style game for 2021. So check that out. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all you guys being the camera. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!